Welcome to Vahini. Myself is Anandane R, working as Managing Director in Vahini Irrigation. Our organization is started in 2000. Initially, we started with our factory in Tumkur itself with a single machine of extruder and a single machine of lateral pipe. Then we goes on expanding our market to other states. In 2015, we started new unit in Tumkur itself. It's around 15-acre land. We are adding our products to SDP pipes, PVC pipes, as well as also tanks. So in initial level, we can able to do our business in 98 lakhs or 1 crore. In 2022-23, we proudly say that we have achieved 500 crores. Initially, as a small enterprise, we started with Tally as a accounting software. We are unable to integrate with any manufacturing activity as well. So after growing our substantial volume of business, we started searching for other software for manufacturing, sales, everything we need to automate. So finally, one of my cousins, Satish, suggested me for Odoo. Then we contact Odoo people. Then Odoo people in turns, they suggested Friction Mysore. They came to our factory, they studied well our requirement, and as per our production process, we didn't change anything. As per our production requirement, they developed and integrated Odoo system as well. Using Odoo past 5 years, we very comfortable with using Odoo, and we grown along with Odoo software to achieve this milestone. In Odoo, we are using almost all modules, starting from inventory, purchase, sales, manufacturing, and DMS and Salesforce automation also we are using. In inventory, we are tracking each and every material involved to our factory, and the location also we can able to define where this raw material is located and where we can stock and all this. Availability of raw material also it's showing you frequently and as and when we required, and consumption as well as after consumption minimum maximum also we can able to define. In Salesforce also, what are the category wise sales also we can able to track. Say it's PVC, it's increasing in this area and decreasing, you came to know that. So in accounts also, we know the entire area sales as well as and average sales value of each product we can calculate easily. So year wise, month wise, this month average sales value can able to calculate easily. I also wanted to add about gate entry. So after receiving the material, checking the invoice, everything in from gate entry, after creating GRN, we are integrated with payment also. So in payment itself, we came to know that it's exact quantity received or not, we came to know that. Overall, Odoo is help us to grow business, and we grow along with Odoo. So in earlier software, each and every department were disconnected. After using Odoo, each and every department were connected. We can do analysis and we can do strategic business also. Along with Odoo, we grow our business. Overall, if I want to say one word about Odoo, it is one-stop solution for entire manufacturing industry.